Humilong ka! Hello and hi! I'm back! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So, it's been so long.
I am back! So as of this moment, we are staying at home para maging safe ang lahat at para makaiwas na rin sa kinababaliwan nating COVID-19. For this video, I'll be doing my own makeup. So let's get started! Taas dito ng konti. Expose natin yung yung hairline.
So for today, I'm going to use this primer from Maybelline. It's called Master Prime Mattifying Primer for oily skin.
It's a very nice oil control primer and at the same time smooth siya sa skin. And for the foundation, I'm going to use this Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. Sobrang long lasting niya, especially sa clients. The shade that I'm going to use for myself would be 3WO.
Hindi flattery tignan pagka may crease kasi hindi mo na-set ng bongga yung foundation.
So, para hindi time consuming and para hindi mag-crease ang foundation, ang ginagawa ko, just to share, is right after mag-apply ng foundation, for example dito sa eyelids, since prone siya sa creasing, is sineset ko kaagad, personal or sa client, yun ang ginagawa ko. Kasi ang tendency, pag hindi mo kaagad sinet, nagko-close open ang eyes, maya-maya, mapapansin nyo, nagkikrease na siya. So, isa yan sa mga tip natin for today. This could save time and energy.
So usually, pagka liquid foundation yung gamit, ang nakikita ko, na-observe ko sa mga ibang makeup artists or influencers, gumagamit sila ng concealer. But this time, I'm still going to make use of the same product, Estee Lauder, but this time, a lighter shade.
So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, right after natin i-blend yung highlight, especially dito sa under eye, isa-set na natin siya. Kasi yung under eye, isa sa mga prone ng creasing, especially pag pumipikit-pikit na. And always remember that once there is a movement, there will always be creasing. So, anong dapat gawin para maiwasan ang creasing? Set! So, as far as my assessment is concerned, it's already well blended. Now, I'm gonna set it. Set it, mama. Set it. Siyempre, you have to maintain your pace. Huwag kang pipikit bago mo iset. Kasi baka pag set mo, may linya na, may guhit na, may creasing na. Useless. Diba? So, isa sa mga natutunan ko about makeup that I could share is that makeup is a matter of using your common sense. Big word, common sense. Pero they say that nowadays, common sense is no longer common. This time, I'm going to contour my face using the same product, Estee Lauder Double Wear. This time, I'll be using the Bronze or 5W1 shade. Since mangga tayo, iwasan natin na mas magmukha tayong mangga. Kaya, dadayain ko ang contour. So, I will start contouring from this part of my face up until here. See that? Kasi nga, i-avoid natin na mas magmukha tayong mangga. Mangga na nga, magmukha ka pang mangga. Ano, hinog? Mangga, hinog ka na ba?
So we're done with the base highlight and contour. This time we will be setting our face. So ang gagamitin ko pag set ng foundation would be my favorite, the original RCMA No Color Powder.
So everyone's affected by the COVID-19. It's a global health crisis and the best that we could do is to really stay at home para maging safe tayo at para matulungan natin hindi lang ang sarili natin, ang pamilya natin, pati rin yung mga medical health workers natin. Sobrang affected ang events industry. Thank God kahit paano may ipon ako. So that is one thing that I could advise to you guys na talagang magkaroon kayo ng savings. Para pag may emergency, hindi kayo masyashort, meron kayong panggastos, and of course, dapat insured tayo. So, get an insurance. May refer ako sa inyo, pinsan ko. And, ayun, that's one of the best decisions that I've done in my life so far, maging insured. Let us hope for the best that one of these days, ma-flatten na yung curve. Kaya stay home lang tayo mga besh. So, since nakapag-set na tayo ng foundation highlight and contour natin, dumako na tayo sa pinaka-best part na gustong gusto ko pero sobrang challenging, which is pagkikilay. And today, hindi ako nag-glue kasi wala akong glue. So, ang gagawin lang natin is natural bushy brows. So, ang gagamitin ko ngayon is one of my favorite brands, Jazzy. And this is in the shade PK03. So, parang dark gray siya.
Okay, this time gagamitin natin tong, ano ba to? Brow Natural or eyebrow soap. For the eyeshadow naman, this is what I'm going to use.
Sobrang sulit itong palette, guys. This is from Morphe 39L, Hit the Lights. So I'm gonna highlight my brow bone using this. For the transition color naman, I'll be using this shade. Ang daming tao ang sobrang bulyo na sa bahay. Well, based on the status na nababasa ko, kaya ang daming mga pakulo. May mga naging chef na, kung ano-ano niluluto, may mga nagpo-photoshoot na, mga makeup artist, may pass the brush challenge na nalalaman.
Kayo ba, anong ginagawa nyo while you're staying at home? Comment down below.
Now for the contour, I'll be using the two of them. These two shades, ito at ito. Combine ko lang sila. So for the highlight, I'm going to use this color. It's like a purplish shade. Pag tinatanong ako ng friends ko kung paano daw yung panggastos namin, panggastos ko, kasi nga diba freelancer ako, scheduled lahat ng events. Well, nag-rely lang ako sa kahit pa paano konting ipon ko, think may ipon. It's really important to save, right? Tapos salamat din sa mga clients na kahit may pandemic pa, amidst the global health crisis, nagbubook sa akin. So yung mga down payments nila nakakadagdag pang gastos. So baka naman dyan sa mga gusto magpa-makeup, mag-book na kayo. And I'm hoping that as soon as possible, maging normal na ulit yung lahat. Yung normal na kagaya ng dati. I don't want an idea of the new normal. Ayoko. Nakakaiyak. Pero whatever be the plan of our government for us, hopefully it's gonna be for everyone's best. Hopefully. Now, using this glittery thing, maglalagay tayo ng highlight. Now, I'm gonna use this eyeliner from Inglot Kohl Pencil 01. This time I'm going to use this eyeliner from MAC in NC15. I'm gonna use this one from Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner. So since nag-dry na nga yung Maybelline natin, I'll be using this one. Ano ba to? Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This is actually a gift from a makeup artist friend. Hello Cherise, thank you so much for this. Now I'm gonna use this mascara from Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So this time I'm going to make use of this beautiful blush palette from Juvia's Place. This is a Heron Blush Volume 2. And this is the very thing that I'm gonna use. And this time we will be doing the powder contour using this BYS matte bronzing powder from BYS, what do you call it? Now I'm gonna use one of my favorite highlighters, the Becca palette. Anong tawag sa palette na to? And for the lipstick, I'm going to use this product from Maybelline. It's the Superstay Matte Ink in 130 Self Starter. So, i-combine ko siya ng same product from Maybelline. This time, I'll be using the Seductress.
Done with the lippies. Now I'm going to finish my look using this finishing spray or setting spray from Maybelline New York. Fresh. So I'm just going to put on my lace front wig. The very same wig na ginamit ko rin sa last vlog ko. Walang sponsor. So this is my finished look, guys. And I would like to grab this opportunity to thank the frontliners, especially the medical health practitioners, for being so courageous and for doing heroic deeds. And please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for more notifications. I do promise that I will be updating you from time to time and more videos would come along the way. Promise! Thank you, promise!